So by using Sora AI, we can generate videos. We all know this. For now, I'm generating a viral video by using Sora AI. Let's see how can we generate a viral video by using Sora AI with the help of large language models like ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Perplexity. So I'm using these large language models to write script. Just start with the Perplexity. I want to generate a viral video clip for 20 seconds about a 20 years Indian girl in old dark house in the forest in night evening worrying about a ghost with magic eyes. By using this script, generate a 20 seconds script with suspicious horror for each 5 seconds. Copy this prompt, enter, go with Claude AI and ChatGPT as well. See, just I asked a basic prompt to these large language models. Even you can take help with a DeepSeek as well. Enter. See, when you are working with viral videos, you can cross check with multiple AI tools, multiple large language models. Then only will get a better results. So if you use one AI tool, may you won't get proper results. With the combination of multiple large language models will get the best script from these large language models. So now I am combining these all scripts and generating a final script. Just copy this and go to ChatGPT, paste here. Same like here, copy and paste. Same for perplexity, copy this and paste here. Generate, a final viral video script for 20 seconds with the help of all about enter. So even you can use Gemini AI or any other large tool. So with the combination of multiple large language model, we'll get better results. So this is the final script for 20 seconds viral video. Let's see now generate text to video prompts for this script. Go with Claude AI, copy and paste here. Generate text to video prompts for above script with camera angles like horror video, horror viral video. Enter. So I used 4 large language models. Claude AI generating the text to video prompts. See, already most of the time I'm using a text to image prompts, image to video prompts, right? But here, with the Sora AI, I'm using direct text to video prompts. If you want, you can work like a text to images and images to videos. But for a change, just I'm using text to video prompts. So this is the first one. Copy this. Come to Sora AI. Paste here. Just aspect ratio. If you want to change, you can change. But I'm using 9:16 ratio. If you want, you can change here. 5 seconds. Enter. The next one is this one. Let's see the results here. My media, it is generating a viral video clip for 5 seconds. So even you can generate a text to image prompts and generate images. After that, generate image to video prompts. For a change, I'm working like a text to video prompts with Sora AI. Let's see how it is generating the videos. Got it? Nice. This is the second one. For first prompt, Sora AI generated 2 clips. Now asking to generate for second scene. It is really nice, right? Let's see the second video. Copy the third prompt. Sora done his job perfectly. Let's see. Third clip generated by Sora AI. Too good. Let me try with the final prompt. So by using these four clips, I will make a 20 seconds video and I will show you. We'll see how it is coming up. So you understood, right? How to generate the script and how to generate videos, like viral videos with video generating tools like a Sora, or you can use a VO3, Runway ML, Haluluo.ai, Weed. So many AI tools available. You can work with any one of these AI tools. This is the final clip. Definitely it will be worked out. Let's see. I will show you the final output after editing. This was made in front of you with only four simple prompts and four clips. It's a basic and you can build on it using your own creativity. Ooh.